Welcome back, viewers. I have already told you in the previous video that how to define the load types and the how to do the load definitions. So for the load types, I selected the dead load 1, dead load 2, dead load 3, and live load 1. Dead load 1 was the structure weight. It is auto calculated. DL2 I selected here was for the, you can see it here, DL2. It was uniform load. It was applied to 7 to 13. 7 to 13 are these edges. And DL3 is was applied on the slab 14 and 15. And now doing after these all things, I am going to turn back to the geometry mode. Now you can see this is our plan. This is our load 1 to 4. So you can see here is the partition load plus dead load plus floor finish load. So for this, I selected floor finish as minus 0.03, which may not be easily visible here because there were only two values that were applied to the slab, and minus 1 was applied as the live load, and I think minus 1.5 was applied as the uh, these are just arbitrary value in kpas. You can select as your units are and as the actual values are. So after doing that, we have to define the load combination. That is the important step. Here I want to suggest you, first of all, you should go for automatic combination. It is mostly the values are default here, and if you are able to do it, then it is the best that you can use ACI 3181419, and then you are going to use full automatic. But there may be one problem, and the problem for this may be that if you are selecting this, then there may be some mistake in the relation. First of all, Autodesk suggests that the default values are mostly good, but if they are not okay, then you have to define the relation between the groups. So just go to the more sign. Regulation have been changed, yes, and now you can see this. I am unclicking the accidental loads and ultimate load service loads. I am using these two types of loads, but before generating, because they may not be generated if there is any issue in the groups and relation. First of all, go to the cases, DL1, DL2, DL3. DL1, I should write here, but I didn't write. You can see these are the groups, and for LL1, it is Q1, and these are all dead loads, so these are G1. So combination, I have, these are the combinations. If you want to go in the detail, you can also go in that. Then this is the group DL1, DL2, DL3, they are G1. And the next one is Q1, you have already seen, but and these are the relation. So I am not going to disturb anything from that. And because best way is that just click the generate, and there should be the automatic combinations generated, but but as I have already told you, if there is any problem in the group and relation tab, then there may be some problem. And you can also go to job preference, from tools to job preferences. If the codes you need are not there, these you can see that design codes. So for the RC AC 31819, yes, it is there. And if you don't want this one, you want metric, then you can also use this metric mode. But I am just using for the KPA, so it is okay for me. So I am going to click OK here. So I didn't need to adjust the job preferences. Now, most probably combinations are not generated if there is any uh, relation group issue. So if I want to uh, verify this, I can go to the loads and combination table, and there will be no combination existing. There will not be any existing combination. It's mean the combination was there was some issues for the relation and group. So now the second option is I can go back to the manual combination. Suppose I am going to design it for 1.4D and 1.2 dead load plus 1.4 live load. So it is up to me. I can use any number of combinations. Sorry, any number of combination from here. And you also know for the load, this tab is load types. This is load definition and this is load combination. I code combination or load combination. I can also select it from here. That's the same thing. The last time you use the full automatic combination and you can generate it. If you are lucky, it will be generated. But if there is some issue in the uh, relation and group, then you need to do the manual combination. This is the manual combination. Now I am again going to click the more. Here you can see I need to go back. I'm sorry. I'm going back. This is a more, yes, manual combination. Next, I will go to the more. In the more, so I can go to the next and then I can select from here, select combination to be generated. So it is better to use the load combination from here, load manual combination, because if you use there may be some issue. So you can simply go to the automatic combination and manual combination here. Go to manual combination. Now 1, 2, 4. Actually, what was 1, 2, 4? They were just the numbers for the assigned loads, live load and dead load. Now combination 5, which was for the ULS, let it be comb 1. Actually, it is comb 1. Let me select OK parameters. You should know that this is simple, this one, and you don't need to adjust it. Select OK. You can see dead loads and live load. So if I am following, um, if I am using only two manual combination, one is 1.4D and the other is 1.2, that is 1.4 into dead load, and the other combination is 1.2 into dead load plus 1.4 into live load. So let me tell you how to do this. So I want to adjust. First of all, let all of them go. There you can see here dead load is 1.2 and live load is 1. You can take live load back, but actually this one, you are going to take it back and you are going to define it as 1.4. 1.4, and then you can again take it back. Let me do it once again. Let me select factor definition from here. And for live load, let me select 1.4. Now let me take all of them together. You can see 1.2 DL1, 1.2 DL2, 1.2 and 1.4. So this is the first combination I have generated. Now I want to generate another that will be 1.4 into dead load. Yes. Do you want to save? Yes, I want to save it. Now this six number that will actually be the combination 2. I'm going to generate combination 2. In this, I need only these first threes. Can I take everything there? And then can I take one by one back? 1 point. Even then, I need to change the factor. Factor definition, I want here 1.4. So let me take all of them back and let me take them there again. Then let me take it again back. So what I need is I am going to select and change it to 1.4, pressing that change here. No, it's 1. I'm going to close it. I'm going to bring everything here. But I don't need this one. It will come back. And this one will come back. Now it is 1.4 into dead load 1 plus dead load 2 plus dead load 3, and I will apply it. This will be my second combination. After applying, I will click the close. So now I can go simply to the combination table from loads and combination table to see what I have done. Is it now you can see 1 plus 2 plus 3, they all were dead load multiplied by 1.2 plus 4. Case 4 was live load into 1.4. The second combination which I used was combination 2 was again for ultimate and you can see dead load 1, case 1, which is dead load, case 2, dead load, case 3, dead load into 1.4. So I have already generated two combination and now it's good to go. You can use how according to your codes, whatever you want to apply, you may apply. Now, thank you very much for watching and hope you are enjoying the videos. Goodbye.